A few years ago, my strawberry plants looked beautiful in early spring. Fresh green leaves, white flowers, and tiny strawberries starting to form everywhere. Then, suddenly, they started struggling. The leaves turned brown. Some plants wilted in the afternoon. Others slowly stopped producing and eventually died. At first, I blamed bugs, fertilizer, and the weather. But the real problem was something much simpler. And once I fixed it, my strawberry plants stayed healthier, produced better fruit, and handled summer heat much better.
Today, I'll show you the simple mistake that quietly kills many strawberry plants and the easy fix that can completely change your harvest. And later, I'll share an old-school gardener trick that helps protect strawberry roots during hot weather. Welcome back to Senior Gardener Advisor. I'm glad you're here. If your strawberries keep dying, don't feel bad. This is one of the most common problems gardeners face. And the problem often starts underground, where you can't see it. Strawberries have shallow roots, which means they can dry out surprisingly fast. But here's where many gardeners go wrong. They let the soil become completely dry, then soak the plants heavily. That constant cycle of too dry, then too wet puts enormous stress on strawberry roots. The simple fix is consistency. Keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy. During warm weather, check the soil with your finger. Push it about an inch down. If it feels dry, it's time to water. But there's another hidden problem: poor drainage. If water stays around the roots for too long, the roots can lose oxygen and begin to rot. Yellow leaves, weak growth, and wilting, even when the soil is wet, can all be warning signs. Strawberries need moisture, but their roots also need air. Now let's talk about summer heat. Because strawberry roots are shallow, hot, exposed soil can dry them out quickly. This is where mulch becomes one of the easiest solutions. A layer of clean straw or shredded leaves helps keep the soil cooler and slows moisture loss. Just don't pile mulch directly against the crown of the plant. And remember, strawberry watering needs change throughout the season. Young plants need closer attention while their roots are developing. During flowering and fruit production, consistent moisture is especially important, and containers can dry out much faster than garden beds. Here's a little senior gardener tip. Water in the morning whenever possible. It gives the roots time to absorb moisture before the hottest part of the day. Now, here's a warning sign you shouldn't ignore. If your strawberry plants wilt during a very hot afternoon but recover by evening, they may simply be reacting to heat. But if they're still wilted the next morning, something is wrong. The roots may be too dry, damaged, or sitting in water. And here's that old-school gardener trick I promised. Use straw mulch underneath your strawberries. It keeps the fruit off wet soil, protects shallow roots from heat, and helps maintain more stable moisture. Simple, cheap, and incredibly useful. So remember, healthy strawberries need consistent moisture, good drainage, cooler roots, and proper mulch. Take care of the roots, and your strawberry plants will have a much better chance of taking care of you with a beautiful harvest. If this helped, subscribe to Senior Garden Advisor and let me know in the comments what problem you're having with your strawberries.